Let's now take a deeper look at the icons in the Slide Master tab, starting with the first two: Insert Slide Master and Insert Layout. When you select Insert Slide Master, Storyline creates an entirely new master slide, along with a fresh set of default layouts. These defaults always include title and content, title only, question, question with media, and blank. These layouts will appear every time you create a new master, whether you're working in a brand new file or inserting an additional master into an existing project. Whenever you insert a new master, the master and all its child layouts appear directly below whichever master you currently have selected, the one highlighted in blue. And they come in as a completely blank canvas. No background graphics, no logos, no placeholders you haven't added yet. Just a clean slate using the project's default theme for fonts and styles until you customize it. Similarly, selecting Insert Layout creates a brand new layout inside the currently selected master. The new layout appears with the default name Custom, and it's based on the title-only layout. It inherits everything from its parent master, all the objects, placeholders, and formatting, but it's ready for you to personalize however you want. And remember, you don't have to keep the name Custom. You can rename a layout in two ways. Right-click the layout to open the pop-up menu and rename it there, or use the Rename Layout icon in the ribbon. When you have a layout selected, you'll also see options to delete or preserve that layout. A layout, or even a master, can only be deleted if no slides in your project are currently using it. Preserving a layout locks it in so it cannot be deleted, even if you have not built any slides with that layout. This is especially helpful early in a project while you're shaping your overall design. You can protect the layouts you want to keep and confidently remove the ones you don't, without worrying about accidentally deleting something you intended to use later.